What's up guys, Jeebs here, and in this box is the all-new Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm not a drone channel, but I do use the Mavic Pro in the past. As you all know, that was stolen in California, so I'm not too happy with California right now. But I did a claim through State Farm. I ended up getting this, so out of pocket this cost me about $600, and State Farm paid for the rest. They paid for like $960 of it. So stinks, didn't want to spend that money, but I loved flying this drone. I love bringing that footage to my YouTube channel. I just think it adds a lot of value to show where you're at. Whatever. Enough talking. I'm just gonna get this thing unboxed. I'm not gonna be flying it in this video, but over my next few videos, I will be flying it and doing all the cool stuff that this can do. I'm most excited about the dolly zoom and the fact that it can fly for 4 minutes longer. Also, the active track features are better. So in the past, when you have active track, if you'd walk under a tree or something and it would lose sight of you, it would immediately cut active tracking. With this active track, it actually assumes your path moving forward. So I'll be testing all this as I use it, but I don't know, these things are really cool. If money wasn't an option, I'd have all the drones I could possibly get and show them all to you, but I don't. Money's an option for me. I was actually surprised how quick this came. I ordered it on Monday, and it's Thursday. Maybe I ordered it on Sunday. I don't know. It's pretty quick though. I feel like I'm one of the first consumers to actually get this thing. I also got the Fly More combo kit. So this is what I got. Part one of that. Basically with the Fly More combo, you get this bag to carry it around in. This is great for packing the drone in, putting it in your book bag, getting on a plane. It's just really easy to travel with. Comes with some extra propellers, 2 extra batteries, so I will have a total of 93 minutes of flight time, because there's these 2, and then the drone itself comes with a battery as well. So I'll have 3 batteries, car charger, a charging port, all kinds of stuff. I don't even know what that is. But this, if you're getting a drone, I would highly recommend that you get the Fly More pack because you burn through batteries quickly. Each battery from the previous version was good for about 500 charges. Obviously, I was nowhere near that. Some criminal is enjoying that now. I got the Fly More pack. I just didn't want it to be cheap. I'm like, I spent the money the first time. I'm not gonna cheap out the second time. Packing list. There it is, the Mavic 2 Zoom. And then there's the Mavic 2, I don't remember what the other one's called, but it has a better camera on it. My whole thing was, I don't really care, like this camera is incredible, and I'm not like a cinematic movie maker. I just make car videos. I just make an absurd amount of Focus ST videos, so I don't need that camera. This is a 4K camera. And the fact that it has the 24 to 48 millimeter zoom, and you can create that dolly effect, and I'll show you guys what that is in a different video. There's other YouTube videos, you can look that up right now. This is just gonna be a perfect drone for me. Plus the cost of this compared to that one was like $1,500, that was just the drone. This was $1,500, but that was with the Fly More pack. So this is like $12.99 if you just wanna get the drone itself. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. The other thing I'm excited about is having the camera on here is way more durable than the camera on the previous one. The gimbal had this little ribbon that supplied power to it, and it was so delicate. I never had any issues with it, but I know a lot of other owners did, and so that was something I was always very cognizant of. And I will be extremely careful, obviously, operating and taking care of this thing, but it is nice to know that they took the time to fix the durability of that gimbal because it's very expensive to replace, and I'm not very good at unboxings. Other YouTubers like throw shit around, and I just kind of neatly unbox it. Subscribe. I'll even show it to you first. I won't even look at it. You get to see it first. there we go. So the wires in here. Here's the new remote. Another, just a little thing that they did on this that was needed, it was just a necessary adjustment they made. You can see there's no joysticks actually on here. And the reason for that is they are put right here. So you can see you just pop it out and you screw it in. And the nice thing about that is when I'm storing it in the case, these joysticks are not going to be like angled weird as they're stuffed away. So what I did to prevent that previously was I got a cover. It was a hard case and it covered the joysticks so they could rest in their normal position and not throw throw them off camber. So that way when I'm flying it, it's drifting one way or another because this has been held in one position for so long. So just little things that they've adjusted on this to make it even better than it already was. Yeah, I just can't wait to fly it, and if you're watching this video and you haven't seen any of my videos, just hold on, subscribe, take a look at some of my upcoming videos where I'll actually use this thing and fly it. But I'm really excited. So that's the unboxing. Here's the battery, some directions. It does fly a little quieter than the last one. Not that the last one was loud, but it's always good to be quiet. And here's the new gimbal. So, yeah, still folds out the same way. You pull these down, you push these forward. This is some new piece here. Look into that. Push forward before you push down. There you go. And there's actually a lot more sensors on this thing as well. As you can see, there's 2 on the bottom here for landing, and then there's 2 on the sides here. There's 1 in the back, 2 in the front. So it's just going to be a lot harder to crash this thing. It is slightly heavier, and the only reason I would even know that is because they told me. I watched another video that said it was, but feeling this compared to my other one, maybe I can feel it a tiny bit, but not much. I mean, this is impressive. I think I'm going to be able to bring you guys a lot more cooler footage just with the zoom, more effects, better quality. It's going to be really exciting. So stinks I had to go out and purchase one because I was totally happy with my Mavic Pro. But it's newer, it's better, it's got a lot more capabilities. We got nice air intakes on the side here, routes it out the back. We got some gills out the side here, BMW or Lamborghini effect. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the drone. I hope you guys liked this video. If you're into drones, like the video. If you hated the video, like the video. And we will see you next time.